Welcome back to Zach Ruder's vlog.
Alright, well, we've got the old chainring off. Dura Ace, top of the line. This is really quality. It's nice and light.
New versus old. Do you want a new versus old comparison?
Rio's really happy he got the Dura Ace.
Zach, for the people at home, this is a brand new chainring. That's an old one. What's the differences and why do I need a new one?
Well, you see these teeth here are looking a bit sharp. So usually once they start to get sharp, you want to replace it. And then it also looks like there's a little bit of damage on the back here from just having grime and kind of just getting lodged in there. So you're going to be a lot more efficient once you have these new ones on, and it's going to prolong the life of everything else, especially your chain.
What was the price of this?
It was a few dollars, I think like $240. And don't worry, the replacement for this was only $30. So I don't know why. I don't know. They're like not that big of a difference, but we'll get the new one on and eventually Rio will be happy. It'll take a little bit of him getting settled after suffering through the experience of buying this. So Rio's really happy right now.
Can I just pay, like, what do I do? Sell the bike? I don't want to pay $600.
Did you not already pay $600?
For what?
How much did you just pay?
Yeah, $600.
All right, well, now we gotta make it work.
One. Those teeth look great. Look at them. Okay, what's happening now?
Well, so look at these here. This is his old. This was what was on the back here, the rear cogs. Get a nice zoom in on that. This is what we're putting on. This is what it's supposed to look like. Nice and fresh. These are really dirty, grimy, pretty beat up. They weren't even secured all the way. There's a little bit of play in them, which is not good at all. So we're now gonna put on this fresh new set, and Rio's gonna be really happy actually once he starts riding with these on. I think it's gonna make a huge difference in his efficiency and how much power he's able to put down. Now there's not much air left in there. Zombies in the background. Yeah. You've been winning? Or is this your first game today?
This is my first game.
Rear is a little bit worn. Tube seems fine with rear. Putting in the little spacer so that my front brakes don't get compressed together here. They're fresh pads, so I'm trying to keep the space. And there's a lot of Black Ops action going on in the background. Tina did not like that. She's sitting on she was asleep and I did that and she jumped up there for a sec.